are you looking at? What the fuck are you looking at? Don't fucking mess with Clitoris, Sandra, Kool-Aid, King Kong Quisha. This bitch will kick your ass. I won't think twice about it, honey. Don't act like you don't hear me. I'm fucking speaking. When Clitoris Sandra speaks, you better fucking listen. Or I'm gonna catch your ass. I will fucking do it. Yeah, you fucking smirking. I see you fucking laughing. I see them fucking dimples. Yeah. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh! I don't need no fucking knife. I just come and kick your ass right through this website. I will break that fucking sword in half over my fucking knee. Don't make me think twice about it. Who do you think you are, fucking Link? Going out to save the goddamn Princess Zelda? Hey, boo! You wanna be my baby daddy?
Yeah, sure.
Too bad you too fucking young for this.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. Don't even try. My name is Clitoris Henry Collider King Kong Quisha, and you cannot be my baby daddy. You kids are too young to be even doing this. You too young to be even on the internet. Why don't you go outside and play some fucking pick up sticks and goddamn kick the can or some shit? Because that's what I did back in the day. Hey, it's my baby daddy. What's up? My baby daddy. Oh, yeah. Where my child support? Hey, boo, you want to be my baby daddy? You do, My name is Clitoris Sandra Caladria King Kong Quisha, and I will be more than happy to cut your ass. I will cut a bitch. Unless you gonna be my baby daddy, you gonna be my baby daddy. I don't care if you got the child support, I got the uterus. Hey, boo!
Hey!
It's my baby daddy!
Oh.
You got my child support?
Yeah.
Good, cause mama didn't get no wave. Oh, it's my girl, Fried Chicken Niqua. Hang on, baby daddy, hang on. Hey girl, it's Cracker Fried Chicken Niqua. What's up, girl? Oh no, he didn't. Oh, that thirsty ass trick. Girl, you can come over there and kick his ass for you, girl, cause I will do it. I will fucking do it. Oh girl, what you doing tomorrow? Let's go get that nails did. I need to leave. We need to get it done, girl. Yeah, I'm talking to my baby daddy right now on the internet. Yeah, he got my child support. He got my child support in a jar. Yeah, we're gonna take that child support, girl. We're gonna go get our weaves. Oh, that's my baby daddy! Oh, hey, baby daddy! You look like you went back home. You better come back soon. Bring me my child support. I need that shit. Yeah, get it, baby daddy. Get it, baby daddy. Oh, yeah. I already did that, baby daddy. Don't you remember? Don't you remember? That's why we went on the Maury show. What's up, baby daddy? That baby ain't gonna look like a turtle, is it? I can't be having no turtle babies. My baby daddy look like a turtle. My baby gonna look like a turtle too. Hey boo, what's up? You wanna be my baby daddy? Okay, boo. You been fucking around? You been fucking around on me tonight? You on here talking to other fucking hoes? You better not. I'll fucking Ain't no bitch gonna mess with my baby daddy. My name is Clitoris Andrea, and I will kick a bitch's ass. Oh, that mean you're rich, right? Does that mean I gonna get more child support? Sweet. Fuck yeah. Hang on. Let me call my girl up. Her name is Fried Chicken Equal. I gotta call her up. Hang on. Hey girl, Fried Chicken Equal, what's up? Girl, you are not gonna believe what just fucking happened. I got a baby daddy. I got 5 baby daddies. Yeah, my 5th baby daddy, he's from Belgium. He's fucking rich. He gonna take me out, buy me a new weave, get my nails did. Oh yeah, girl, be fucking jealous. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Yeah, alright, girl. Alright. You tell Kyla Graniqua I said hi. Alright, bye. She jealous of me. I got Belgian baby daddy.